Hello and welcome to Shop Talk. I'm Barry Hall and I'm here at Castlemaine Rod Shop, and one of the owners from Castlemaine Rod Shop is Heath Waddington. One of the most popular products at Castlemaine is some of these engine mounts.
Yeah, so on the bench we've got the Alice conversion mounts for early base Commodores, so VB to VS Commodore. The Alice conversion was introduced to the Rod Shop in the early 2000s, 2001 to be exact. The Alice based engine came out in the VT Series 2 Commodore.
No one can do that.
Well, and they're very well made. Obviously, they're TIG welded, they're laser cut and powder coated. But the Knife bush is Australian made.
Certainly is. It's a Super Pro bush what we've got here. These bushes are made out of Queensland. They're the only Australian made bush left in the country. So other brands have moved offshore and so forth. So we've stuck with an Australian made bush. They back their product, so it comes with a lifetime warranty, like our mounts in front of us.
So you've obviously got hardened bolts, but it also comes with the hardware. All nuts and bolts, you buy it pretty much as a kit.
It does. It even comes with the mounting hardware for your engine mount here to the block. So as you can see, the mounts obviously very straightforward, straight to the block. On the LS engine, there's a series of 8 holes on the engine. The LS mounts bolt to the front series of the holes. So very straightforward, bang in the hole. And you do have adjustment in the 4 slots. These cars, you've got to remember, are 30 plus years old. So that'll give you adjustment if your car's got a slight twist or a little bit of a ding, because as we all know, the cars aren't perfect 30 plus years ago.
And there is a lifetime warranty with them. So
we do.
They're very well made, but if something does happen, which is very rare, you'll replace it.
We replace everything, even to the stage if you have a fire and you burn out a bush, we'll chuck some bushes in an express bag, shoot them out to you, easy fix.
Now it's a no-brainer to me, but there is some variations in terms of the mounts and what they go in. Obviously VB to VS,
yes.
There's a lot of variation with K-frames.
There certainly is. So you've got your VB to VK Commodore. Their K-frames were all the same. You got to the VL series Commodore, you had the famous RB30 engine, then you had the Holden 5 litre, and obviously the 202s. This is the only mount that would be used in the VB to VK Commodore, which is very straightforward, very easy to identify. This mount here is your VL one. It only works, the VL RB30 K-frame will not work in any other model of car unless you're crazy enough to put an RB30 K-frame in a VS, who knows. This here is one of our newest products. So it's pretty crazy looking, very tall. This is the V6 K-frame engine mount. So these are a brand new product, we've only developed them. The reason we've only started developing this one, it used to be very easy to get V8 K-frames from wrecking yards. Now you're trying to ring up a local wrecking yard and ask for a V8 K-frame, they'll laugh at you or they'll charge you $500 for a K-frame. So we've designed this tall mount here. It'll bolt straight from your front end, straight to your block.
And if you're worried about durability, we've got some burnout cars here with 1600 horsepower, and they've got exactly the same mounts in them.
Maybe not the exact same, but the same concept. So it runs the same bush, your same mounting hardware, which is a 5/8 grade 8 bolt, back to the Nylon bush again, and the Nylock. So we have tested them. Like I said, 1600 horsepower, it's pretty hard to beat that. Yes, they're not the exact same mount, but the same concept.
Absolutely. Now, obviously, put the engine mounts in. Once you do something to a car, there's not just one thing you've got to change with. There's a couple other things to go with it.
Exactly right, exactly right. Some people only buy the mounts and they decide to make their own extractors or make their own gearbox crossmember. We don't mind. We can say as little as much as you need. If you are going to go all that, yes, we can supply the kit. So you've got your gearbox crossmember, your gearbox mount. A big one in the kit's a left-hand starter conversion. So Commodores, they're a rear-rounded rack. A factory LS starter motor is on the right-hand side, so the steering shaft will hit straight into it. So we designed an LS kit, which will throw the starter motor to the left-hand side of the engine.
That's the LS conversions. These are the LS engine mounts, very well made. As I said, if I had a Commodore, I'd certainly put them in. If you want any more information or any more information on parts, go to rodshop.com.au.